Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix the unable to connect issue on NVIDIA step by step. First, start with the basics and make sure your internet connection is stable. Next, press Windows plus R on your keyboard and type services.msc, then hit enter. Scroll down and look for NVIDIA Network Service Container or NVIDIA Display Container LS. Once you find it, right-click and select Restart or Refresh. This will refresh the background services that handle connectivity. After that, find NVIDIA Local System Container, right-click it and click Restart or Refresh as well. Next, clear the NVIDIA cache and temporary files. Now, open Control Panel. In the search bar, type Control Panel and open it. Go to Programs and Features, scroll down to NVIDIA GeForce Experience, right-click it and select Uninstall/Change. Once uninstalled, open a browser, search for NVIDIA GeForce Experience, and click Download Now. Reinstall the application. This often resolves the connection issue. If the app still won't connect, go to the search bar and type nvidia.com/drivers, then hit Enter. Download and install the drivers manually. This bypasses the GeForce Experience dependency and should fix the problem completely. And that's it. Your NVIDIA app should now connect properly.